We just created a first.html page, superb, and it is very good. After this thing, how I am going to write my code? What is the piece of code I am going to write in a .html extension related page or .html extension related file? What is the piece of code we are going to write? We are going to learn in this particular video, guys. Simple, guys. In HTML, whatever you want to write, you have to write your information in between elements. Another name for these elements is tag. Some people call like this also. Another name is tag, guys. By using an element or tag, we are going to write our code in a .html extension page. What is the first element we need to write? So basically, in what way we are going to write an element? What is the structure of an element? We are going to see. Structure of an element, guys. Simple, guys. You don't need to do anything at all. So you don't need to write any program or anything. You have to use less than, greater than symbols. That's it. This helps you to write a element followed by some information also, content, whatever you want to give, and once again you need to end that particular element, guys. Slash. By using slash, you are going to end that particular element. For suppose in HTML we are having a simple structure, guys, default structure. What it is you have to use HTML is your root element. It is the starting point, like that. The meaning what we are using HTML is, it is the starting point. Whenever you open, this is what we call as opening element or opening tag. I already told you, element and tag are both are mostly the same thing. This is called as opening element. Whenever you open something, you need to close. So for closing, we are going to use slash and HTML, slash HTML. That's it. This is the closing, guys. Open is HTML and close is also HTML, but you have to mention a slash before the name of that particular HTML. That's it. In between this particular element, whatever you write, it is your content. It is the content or code or statements, whatever you may call. All that information you are going to write in between this thing. This is what we call as element. This is one example, and this is the structure. Control X, this is your structure of an element, and this is example of an element. That's it. So let me show you the default structure, what we are carrying and what we have in a particular HTML page. I deleted all that stuff. We always need to use HTML is our root element, followed by once again HTML, but this time you need to close that thing, slash. Superb. In between this code, we are going to write our code also. In between these two elements, we are going to write our code. What is the first thing we are going to carry and we are going to have? We are going to have a particular thing called as head. We are having two sections, guys. In a particular HTML page, we are having two sections. The first section is head. Head is the first section. Slash. It is also having opening and closing. The second section is body. Second section is body, guys. And control is the saving concept. If you see a dot in here, in this particular position, means you changed something in this particular file, but it is not saved. I'm going to use Control S. Now that particular dot was changed to cross mark. If I give some space, once again, there is a particular change happened in this thing. Control S. This is the way how can you find out whether there is any change happened, will it saved or not, like that in a Sublime. Okay. What type of information I'm going to write in my head section? What type of information I'm going to write in my body section? This is the question we are going to get, and definitely you need to get that such type of questions, guys. Then only you can understand any new technologies, what we are using, why we are using, where we are using, what's the need of using this particular element or this particular piece of code. Like that you have to learn and you have to know. And one more thing guys, all these elements are not case sensitive. What I mean is, you can use capital HTML and small HTML also. By default, if you are using a particular element, that means your browser is going to understand. That's it. Whether you written in a capital letters or not, lower letters or not, it is not going to consider at all. It is not going to worry at all, guys. Your browser is not going to worry at all. Let me save this file once again. I saved this file. Let's go to this first.html and execute. What type of information I am seeing in my web page, in what way it is going to display me. Here it is. Double click. I open this thing. Now did you see in here, it is plain, it is quite empty. It is clearly empty, guys. Why? Because I am not written anything. I didn't write any piece of code in my first.html. That's why it is very plain. If you see at the top point in here, if you see in here, this is what we call as title. This is what we call as title. If you don't provide any title for your HTML page, by default it is going to consider your file name. It's simply going to consider your file name, guys, if you don't provide any title in here. And that is the thing what we see here. Did you see? This is a new tab. If you go to Amazon.in, now if you see in here, it is showing me some information related online shopping site in India, shop online for mobiles, some type of content you are going to see in here. The same thing what you are going to see for this particular page also, simply by writing and by using a particular element, that is what we call as title. Where I need to write, you need to write that particular title in the head part. Mostly we write our title type of information at the head part. Because guys, do you know why we are having two sections? It is quite easy. By seeing these names you can understand. Head is the starting thing. It is the information what you want to execute first of all. Body is the thing or the section where you want to write your code related to your HTML body. In your web page body, here body in the sense your web page information. In this particular location, in your web page, what type of information you want to display. That is the thing you are going to write in the body. And if you are using any titles, if you are using any links, if you are trying to use any other technology related HTML, CSS, jQuery, JavaScript related content, you are going to write that code in the head part. Don't worry guys, I will show you that those informations also. Right now I am going to show you about this title only. Title/title. It is also opening and closing. In here I am going to write a small message. This is about title. This is about title. I am saving this thing. Now after saving this file, I am coming back to here my web page. If you want to find out, if you want to see the change between your previous code and current code, you have to click on refresh. That's it. Now did you see? Here the element content is changes. Initially it is having first.html. Now it is having, this is about title. The information, the piece of code whatever written in the title element, that is the thing you are going to see in here also. This is about title. That's it. If you change something to new to HTML, Control S, Alt Tab is the shortcut to open the previous application. F5 is the shortcut for refresh the page. I am new to HTML. In this way, a title is going to help you. You need to write your title in the head part. Okay, I am not going to write my title in my head part. I want to write this thing in my body. Will it execute? Will it work? Cancel. Of course it will work guys. There is no worry at all. And one more thing, if you done anything wrong in your HTML, it is not going to give you any errors. It is not going to show you any errors. By seeing the page itself, you have to find out. We have to find out by seeing the page. Is my element is giving me correct output or not? Is my element is going to tell me the correct result or not? Based on that thing, we have to find us. Title is going to help you to display the information in your web page. You can write this title in the body part, or you can write the title in the head part, or without using this body and head sections also you can write. Control S, F5. But this is not a good practice. It is completely a bad practice, guys. We developers don't tolerate such type of things. We all don't try to write our code like that at somewhere. There is some positions, there is some locations we given, the developers given to us. We have to follow all those things. That's the reason we always write our title in the head section, not in the body or not outside the body or anywhere. This is about your first HTML example, how to save, how to run, all that information. I hope you understand. Thank you.